Remember the time you earned your first ever salary or got your first ever paycheck? Was a joyful and emotional moment for everyone, wasn't it? The first thing which people normally do after getting their first salary is to buy something. It could be something worth for their near and dear ones. Other than that, mostly it is buying a good smartphone. The feeling of buying something with your hard-earned money for the first time is precious. However, it becomes rather vicious if the spending is not regulated. Right from our schooling to our jobs, we have been taught about science and technology, history and civics, and a lot more. However, nobody really teaches us about financial management. At the most, people will advise you to go for SIPs or mutual funds. Due to the lack of awareness on the subject, we kind of get casual about finance, particularly while handling our own personal finance. It generally becomes difficult to understand how to save money. If not saving, at least finding a better and smarter way to channelize the expenses. Today, all thanks to technology, people are able to manage their finances through their smartphone apps. These apps help in managing finances without much effort and are hassle-free. So let's take a look on how we can manage our personal finances with these apps. Managing finance through apps. Budgeting. The major problem with most of us not being able to manage our personal finances properly is because of the lack of budgeting. Budgeting is basically a written plan on how you will spend your money. Moreover, it's an estimate of how much you will spend, thus taking control over your spending. Budgeting is wonderfully done by smartphone apps. These apps sync with your bank accounts. They track your spending and update your balances. All of this is done without having to input any information manually. Managing debts. People sometimes are not able to manage their debts properly. They're not always able to prioritize debt management as it should be done. Smartphone apps, though, help in managing debts through the snowball method. A snowball method focuses on small victories. This is accomplished by finishing off the smallest debt first and then the next smallest debt. This continues till you are debt-free. Through these apps, you can keep track of your debts and their payments. Money saving. Some of the best apps available when it comes to finance are comparison apps. These apps compare the price of the same product available on different sites. You can easily choose the product with the lowest price shown. This way, a lot of money is saved. Another peculiar feature that these apps have is that they provide coupons for discounts. These coupons vary for different things, which include groceries, gas, clothes, appliances, etc. Timely bill payments and tracking balance. Managing your bills, particularly the EMIs, can be quite tedious. If you overlook any one bill by mistake, you end up paying the penalty charges. To add to your misery, your credit score might also get affected. Hence, it is very important to pay your bills in due time. These apps keep a track of your bills and provide notifications on commencing due dates. This way, you will never be able to overlook any pending bills. Also, these apps track your account balance and keep updating you regarding it. This way, you understand where you can apply brakes on spending too. Jupiter, Khatabook, Personal Capital, Good Budget, Mint are some of the popular personal finance management apps. It is said that money saved is money earned. These apps have really helped people so far to attain the same. You can give it a try as well.